Hey everybody, I got something in the mail today. I'm super excited to open it. I can't wait to show it to you. This is something I have been waiting for a couple of weeks now, and it's finally here just in time for the holidays. And here we go. Let's see what it is. It is my new book, my cookbook, Dr. Rani's Visionary Kitchen. Woo, so excited. What do you think? You helped me choose the cover, so thank you to everyone who voted. It is chock full of delicious, nutritious recipes that are great for your eyes. There is something in here for everyone, from smoothies to breakfast, salads, soups, entrees, snacks, dessert sauces, everything you would have wanted. All will be amazing for your eye health. So check it out, Dr. Rani's Visionary Kitchen. It's available on Amazon in both paperback as well as in Kindle. So I can't wait to share this with you, and plus it makes a great holiday gift.